He was so great. It's like a stone moving. I just saw something moving on the side of the road.
Fine, you're fine. Wow.
We actually found 2 dogs that day.
All right.
That's when we really knew, okay, it's really time to open that shelter. He was scared and was like, who are these guys? He slowly started to gain trust. He was covered in sores and wounds, and he was only about 6 months old.
You're good boy. You're safe now.
The sanctuary still needed some work before we could move any dogs in. So Theo went to live with a foster mom for a bit.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you for everything. Give me second life. Bye-bye.
It was temporary, but it was hard saying goodbye to him so quickly.
Good boy. Good boy. Oh, Theo.
Smile not so bad now. Already getting better.
He just needed good care, good food, loads of love. Then slowly you see that there's little tiny hairs growing all over his body. After the sanctuary was built and all set, Theo moved in. His foster mom Karek also moved into the sanctuary with him and many more of our rescues.
Hey, boy. Hello. I have new house here. Yeah. Are you happy here? Are you happy here? Hello, boy. Hello. Oh my God. You ran into the camera.
In a couple of months he was just full of hair and he just looked so beautiful, just not the same dog anymore.
Hi, boy. Sag mal Hallo zu Tina und die ganze Familie. Hm? Ja.
He definitely is a special dog to me because we decided to rent that land and build our sanctuary when we found him.
You're such a beautiful and sweet boy.
Oh, I love you. I love you.
This family actually texted us and said we would like to know more about him, and it turned out that they are the perfect family. I don't know who's gonna miss Theo more, me or Karek. He will soon move to his new forever home.
Theo. Hey, boy. Hi, boy. Hi, pretty boy. You're so handsome. Oh my gosh, there's so many other doggies here.